Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best laptops for graphic design that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have ranked them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more in-depth reviews. All right, let's dive into the list. At number 5, we have the HP14 Laptop. This budget-friendly option is ideal for casual designers or students just starting out in graphic design. With its ultra-portable design, weighing only 2.09 pounds, and its sleek micro-edge HD display, this laptop is easy to carry around and offers decent visuals for basic creative tasks. The Intel Celeron N4020 processor provides modest performance, making it suitable for lightweight design applications like Canva or basic photo editing software. Although the 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB eMMC storage limit multitasking and storage capacity, the inclusion of Intel UHD graphics allows for smooth streaming of 4K content and light gaming. The 10-hour battery life is another bonus, ensuring you can work on the go without constantly searching for an outlet. However, the resolution of 1366 by 768 pixels may feel restrictive for designers who need finer details in their work. Overall, the HP14 laptop is best suited for those on a tight budget who need a secondary device for simpler design tasks or administrative work. The pros include its portability, affordability, and decent battery life, while the cons are its limited RAM, storage, and screen resolution. It's not a powerhouse, but it gets the job done for entry-level users. Coming in at number 4 is the Lenovo IdeaPad 1i laptop. This versatile device offers a solid balance between performance and affordability, making it a great mid-range choice for graphic designers. The 15.6-inch HD anti-glare display boasts an 87% active area ratio, providing more screen real estate for working on creative projects. Additionally, it comes with Dolby audio speakers, which enhance the multimedia experience by delivering rich and immersive sound. With 12 GB of RAM and a 256 GB SSD, this laptop allows for smooth multitasking and quick file retrieval. The Intel Celeron processor is decent for mid-level creative tasks, although it may struggle with heavier applications like Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator. A standout feature is its inclusion of a physical privacy shutter for the webcam, giving users peace of mind during video calls. Plus, the flick-to-start functionality adds convenience by automatically powering on the laptop when the lid is opened. While the Lenovo IdeaPad 1i offers great connectivity with Wi-Fi 6 and an 11-hour battery life, it falls short on screen resolution, which is capped at 1366 by 768 pixels. Still, this is a solid choice for designers who prioritize portability, productivity, and the added bonus of Microsoft 365 for 1 year. Pros include its decent RAM, useful smart features, and robust battery life, while cons include the lower resolution screen and moderate processing power. At number 3, we have the Nulu gaming laptop, which is a great choice for graphic designers who need a high-performance machine at a reasonable price. Its 16-inch FHD display with a 16:10 aspect ratio provides an 11% increase in vertical workspace, making it ideal for multitasking and working on detailed design projects. The anti-glare matte finish ensures comfort during extended use and reduces eye strain. Powered by the Intel Alder Lake N95 processor and paired with dual graphics capabilities, Intel UHD and NVIDIA GeForce MX 350, this laptop delivers smooth performance for office applications, multimedia editing, and casual gaming. The standout feature is the whopping 32 GB of RAM and 1 TB SSD storage, which ensure lightning-fast operations and ample space for large design files. The laptop's build is sleek and professional, featuring a durable ABS Plus PC composite design that weighs just under 4 pounds. While the Nulu excels in performance and storage, its 4-hour battery life, may disappoint users who need a longer runtime for portable work. The connectivity options are excellent, with USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports, HDMI, and a Type-C data port, making it easy to connect peripherals. Pros include its powerful graphics card, massive RAM, and spacious storage, while cons are its shorter battery life and slightly bulkier build compared to lighter laptops. Taking the number 2 spot is the Asus ROG Strix G16 gaming laptop, which is a powerhouse designed for both gaming and creative professionals. Its 16-inch FHD Plus display boasts a 165 Hz refresh rate and 3 millisecond response time, offering buttery smooth visuals, a critical feature for graphic design workflows involving animation or video editing. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 560 GPU, powered by NVIDIA Blackwell architecture, ensures stellar performance, while DLSS 4 and Max-Q technologies enhance rendering speeds and visual fidelity. Under the hood, you'll find an Intel Core i7 processor with 16 cores and 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, ensuring seamless multitasking and handling of resource-intensive applications like Adobe After Effects or Blender. The 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD provides ample storage for large projects, while the ROG Intelligent Cooling System keeps the laptop cool even during extended workloads. Design-wise, the laptop stands out with its full surround RGB light bar, which can be toggled to stealth mode for a more professional look. However, at 10.85 pounds, this laptop is bulky and better suited as a desktop replacement than a portable device. The price tag is also significantly higher, making it an investment for serious professionals. Pros include its superior graphics performance, high-resolution display, and advanced cooling system. Cons are its weight and premium price point. Finally, at number 1, we have the 2025 AMD laptop by Kagaku, a top-tier option for graphic designers looking for premium performance without breaking the bank. It features a 16.1-inch high-definition IPS screen with a wide color gamut and high refresh rate, delivering stunning visuals that are both vivid and accurate. This makes it perfect for tasks that require color precision, such as photo editing or graphic design. The AMD Ryzen 7 5700U processor, with 8 cores and 16 threads, ensures smooth performance across demanding applications like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and even 3D modeling software. With 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 512 GB NVMe SSD, this laptop strikes a great balance between speed and storage. Plus, its upgradability to 64 GB RAM and 2 TB SSD means it's future-proof for growing needs. The laptop also offers Wi-Fi 6 for faster connectivity and a backlit keyboard for comfortable use in low-light environments. While the Kagaku AMD laptop excels in performance and display quality, its integrated Radeon RX Vega 8 graphics may not match the power of discrete GPUs like the RTX series. Still, it's the ultimate choice for graphic designers seeking a high-performing, affordable machine. Pros include its vibrant display, excellent processor, and upgradable specs, while cons include the lack of dedicated graphics and slightly less premium build quality compared to higher-priced competitors. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the best laptop for your graphic design needs. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more expert reviews. If you have any questions about these products, leave them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. See you in the next video.